So I was really hoping, can you take hold of my line so that I can move? Thank you. Really hoping we would see one of these today, and look at that. I just threw my line back in and I nearly passed out. How cool is this? Thank you very much, Mr. Turtle, for popping up and saying hi. Oh, could you send the fishies my way, please? He's going to dive too deep now to be picked up. I did jokingly say I was losing my bait to a turtle. And maybe I was. I'm not going to stop filming in case he pops up for another breath of air. Still see him there swimming around. I'm not sure if it's going to come out on the camera or not. And that's him way down deep. And he's popped back up to say hello again. I think that's where my bait's going.
Please say so, dear.
So we're just having a nosy around the harbour and we've spotted this lot. I'll try and get ahead of them. And the life-saving guys have decided to come into the harbour. And look at all these rays. How cool is that? That is just, it's been a really good day for nature, between seeing the turtle.
I think there's 14.
Jonathan.
I
Oh.
think there's 14.
And look, the little baby tiddly one out the front. I'm not really wearing the shoes for rock climbing, but anyway. And there was us saying we've seen no fish hardly all day. And then this lot swims past. Oops, excuse me while I try to get...
Nearly out of sight.
Yeah, not going to pick them up anymore now. But we got them on film. Woo, go us. Here we go, we'll turn the camera around. Rosie's trying not to fall over. Hey! So, last week to the harbour before we go home. Getting a bit cloudy now. A few more boats coming in. We've obviously been out deep sea fishing. I can't do that, I'd be throwing up. And there we go.